In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the web for fields on Getresponse. To start, you will need to open the section where Getresponse manages your forms and pop-ups. Look for the menu area that says Forms and Pop-ups, and click into that section. This is where you can find the tools you need to adjust how your form behaves and what information it collects from visitors. Once you are in the Forms and Pop-ups area, the next goal is to open the form you want to work on. You will see your existing forms listed there. Find the specific form you plan to update and open it. After that, you will want to enter the editing view by selecting Edit Design. This step matters because the design editor is where Getresponse lets you change what fields appear on the sign-up form and how they are arranged. Now that you are inside the Edit Design area, you will see options related to how the form looks and functions. Your next action is to click Sign Up Form. This focuses the editor on the correct component, which is important because some pages may contain multiple form types or different versions of the same form. By selecting Sign Up Form, you make sure you are editing the correct area that people will actually use when signing up. After you have selected the Sign Up form, you are ready to add a field that captures specific information. Click Add Custom Field. When you do this, Getresponse will prompt you to choose from the available field options. Taking this step carefully helps you select the correct data type so your sign-up form matches the information you want to collect. Next, you will select the field you want. On the screen, you should see a list of field choices that you can add to your form. Choose the one that matches your goal, such as a particular profile detail or any custom data you are tracking in your contacts. If there are several options, take a moment to read the labels so you select the right one before moving forward. This is the point where accuracy really matters, because the field you choose is what will show up for people filling out your sign-up form. Once you have selected the field, you will finish by saving your changes and leaving the field editor. Click Save and Exit. This confirms the update and returns you to the prior view in the Form Designer. Saving is important because it locks in your field changes so they are not lost if you navigate away or refresh the page. At this stage, you should be able to see that the custom field is now part of your sign-up form, and your form design reflects the update you made. Take a quick moment to look over the form area and ensure the field appears where you expect it to appear. If everything looks correct, you are done with the setup work. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.